Hi, I am Neerju Shah and student of Jewellery Design at Brds. Drawing and design was always my passion, and particularly in last few years, I was interested in jewellery designing, but didn't know how to take my art to that professional standards. At Brds, I learned about how I can refine my art and make my passion into the career. The entire atmosphere at Brds is art-friendly, thought-provoking and inspiring new ideas. Teachers at Brds have helped me to hone my skill to become a professional jewellery designer. One more thing I want to share, I am a mother of 2 kids. Because of flexible timing at Brds, I can pursue my dream alongside taking care of my family responsibility also. Thank you.